As a small YouTuber, implementing strategies on your channel is what is going to help your channel to grow. So if you're just starting out on YouTube and you're facing difficulties on how you can get your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hours, then don't worry, this channel is specially for you. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, you click on the like, and you go to the comment section and connect with every small YouTuber that you see right there. When you're done doing that, go to the next videos and do the same, because there are a lot of people on the comment section waiting to connect with you. If you see 1,000 people connect with 1,000 people, that simply means you're going to be having 1,000 subscribers at a go. So go do that right now while we get into the video proper. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a strategy that you can post your shorts and connect with your long form video, so that everyone who watches your short form content will be able to go to your long form content and watch them, so you can get your 4,000 watch hours as fast as possible. The highest difficulty you will face on YouTube as a small YouTuber is getting your 4,000 watch hours. Getting your 1,000 subscribers is not a problem, but 4,000 watch hours is always a problem for every YouTuber. But this strategy for you to link your short form content to your long form content will help you to get your watch hours as fast as possible. Now, come along with me. Let me show you how you can connect your short form videos to your long form videos for more visibility and your watch hours. So right here on your YouTube studio, click below here on the plus sign, just like so. And right here where you see add, you select the video you want to use, okay? Let's say, for example, this one right here. So click done on the bottom right hand side, okay? Give it some time to process. And then click right here, just like so. And now you click on next. Now, I'm not going to show you the details of how you can actually maximize posting your short form content. Now, if you want to know how you can do that, let me know on the comment section, and I'm going to do a proper video for you, or when we're having a live stream, I'm going to tell you how you can actually post, or you can actually upload your short form content for more visibility and for you to get more likes and more engagement on that video. But this one is for the illustration for you to know how you can connect your short form videos to your long form videos. Now here we are, and let me just give you a little brief. Right here where you see add details, you can actually add a caption right here, but that is not the purpose for this video. And right here where you see visibility, you can actually change to public if you're ready to post. But because this is just for illustration, we're not about posting this, we're going to leave it at that. And right below here, just scroll below where you see related videos. All right, I'm going to put an arrow there so you can see it. You just click on it, and then you connect it to the long form video you want to promote. Now let me say, for example, I want to promote this video, how to create a PayPal account. You just go right there to the video. Let's look for that video. All right, this one right here. So when you do that, it's going to pop up right here how to create a lifetime PayPal account. Now, the next thing you have to do is to upload the short, but make sure you actually, upload the video in the right way. You put a caption, you put hashtags, you make sure it's for kids and all that. If you don't know how to do that, let me know on the comment section. And this is the same procedure if you're using your desktop, your laptop, or whatever device you're having. So click right here on upload shorts when you're done. Now we've uploaded our shorts, but remember this short is still on private, okay? When the short is uploaded, I'm going to show you how you can click directly on the link, and then it will take you to that long form content. Now, for you to check if your video has actually uploaded, just go right there below where you see you click on it just like so. You go to your page, you go to short, and let's check for the video. Here we have it right here on private. Here is the video. If you click right below where you see your name, you're going to see how to create a lifetime. Just click on it right there, and it's going to take you directly to this video. So if you do this on your channel, when someone watches this and clicks on that link, it's going to take them just like so. This is taking you directly to the video you connected. All right, let's just click on this. This is the video we have right here. How to create a lifetime PayPal account with no limitation, 100% working in Africa. So when you connect your short form video to your long form video, this is what happens. When the person clicks on that link, it takes them directly to that video. And one thing I want you guys to do always is, when you want to connect, look at how much this content, make sure you connect it to the video that you see getting a lot of views on your channel. Now, what I have to do is to connect as many short form content to one long form content. It's very possible. Now we can decide that, okay, we're going to take 6 short form content right there and connect all of them to that same how to create a working PayPal account in Africa. All right. So if you do that, you realize that at least 60% of the people who watch all the 6 short form content will go to this long form content to watch it. And it depends on what you say on the short form content. Now, what happens is this: when anyone goes to your short form content, the person watches it, and if the person is interested, the person will now click on that link to go to your long form content. So one thing I want to tell you before you implement this strategy is for you to drop a short form content that is very engaging. And when you drop this short form content, make sure you are giving them a highlight of what you're going to talk about in your long form content. Now, for this strategy to work best for you, what you have to do is to drop a short video that is very engaging. Let me give you, for example, if you're a student and you're looking for a side hustle, a way you can earn money that will not interfere with your studies, then you are in the right place. I created this video with 5 different ways you can earn money from the online space as a student, and those 5 ways will not interfere in your studies at all, and you can earn above $400 every month from these 5 side hustles. All you have to do is to click on the link right there. It's going to take you to this video. Watch, learn, and earn. All I ask of you in return, make sure you click on the like, you subscribe, and when you have started earning, come back to this video and say thank you, so that others that have been unable to do this thinking we are joking will know that you have gone a step ahead of them. Thank you. Now, what I just said is about 1 minute, or maybe not even up to 1 minute. Now, YouTube will push this far and fast. And when these people watch this, your short form content, as you've asked them to click on that, you've already given them a call to action. And when they click on that, they're going to go to your long form content and then watch these 5 strategies that you are talking about. Please, whatever long form content you're directing them to using your short form content should actually have value. Don't just come and put your short form content, and when they click to the long form content, they don't see any value. That will actually discredit your work, and they will not want to watch other videos on your channel. Let me tell you the truth. I've actually connected about 10 of my short form content to just one of my long form content, and a lot of people watch that particular video and they had to go to other videos on my channel to watch because they actually had value from that one long form content. So they all had to go to the other videos to see the value I have there. So whatever you do, make sure you have value on the videos you drop on your channel. Please do not forget to go to the comment section and connect with every small YouTuber you see right there. And go to the other videos and also connect with them on the comment section. And don't forget, the links are right there below. The link to our WhatsApp channel, to our Telegram channel, and our Instagram channel. Click on it. There are small YouTubers there waiting to connect with you. These YouTubers are aggressive to grow. They want to start making money as fast as possible. So go right there, join them, connect with them, as well as they will connect with you to help you grow as fast as possible. Love you all, and thank you for watching this video till the end. Let me know how this strategy helps your channel to grow on the comment section or on any of our channels. Until next time, see you soon.